Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be in Tampa tonight. So yeah, further ado, let's get into this. First Monster Jam truck up here, out here for the great clips. I mean, not the great clip, the freestyle competition is gonna be Jim Kohler and the Avenger. His timer did not start that one. He did not start his time. This next hit will start his time. He didn't have the timer ready, so he didn't start his time. There he goes. Nice air from Jim Kohler and the Avenger. Just trying to fix my mic. Here we go. Nice air. Can he save it? Yes, he can. Can Jim save it? Yes, he can. Nice lap really for Jim.
You left the TV on over here.
Me.
Go turn it off. What are you doing?
Time is paused for Jim Kohler and the Avenger.
Turn off your light too, dude. Omar, you left all of your mess over here on the kitchen table, son. Pick up after yourself. Come on.
As now Jim Kohler will turn that monster truck back on. Winding up for the Monster Energy backflip. Can Jim save it? What he doesn't know is the timer is up. Let me scream like you. think they're in my room. I'm getting totally copyrighted for this. Yeah?
Omar, get up and find your sister's sandals. Now.
1 second, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that.
What? That one was supposed to pick that up.
None of the cats got out right now, right?
This is identity theft. I forgot. I don't know who drives this. They're always in Monster Truck Throwdown or the UK shows, but now they're in Monster Jam in the Beam Tour. He's performing here, and that's a massive reset. He's gonna line up for the backflip. First ever backflip completed. Does not complete the time with 46 seconds left on the clock. Broke the. Oh my god, what just happened? We're saying some nice names, actually. Some names from the Triple Dead series and some names from the Monster Truck Throwdown or the Ukraine shows. But up next is Zane Rutel and Stinger Unleashed. Welcome to game. Has only 2 career freestyle wins. He has 2 2019 freestyle wins. He's gonna hit the Monster Energy backflip. His first ever landed backflip. His time ended 10 seconds ago. But he's gonna save it. He's going over. Give it up one more time. For Stinger Unleashed. Here we go. Jester starting his run. Matt Pagliaro rocking that purple body. Okay, that's a reset because you can't just break your tire like that. Impossible. There's an in-cap view of Matt Pagliaro and the Jester. Doing a nice stoppie. Okay, that's a reset. That's impossible to break your tire. He's lining up for the Monster Energy backflip. That's a total reset. My truck wasn't functioning. I went out of the tab accidentally when I was lining up to that, so that's a reset. Going for the Monster Energy backflip! Oh my! With only 2 seconds left on the clock, Matt Pagliaro and Jester blows the motor. A tough break for the Jester Master Jam truck. Lindsay Wink and the Lucas Oil Crusader. Up the pod! Nice sky wheelie as the body panels are falling off. my last video for BeamNG, I didn't use BKTs. It's good to use BKTs again. Oh my! Hits the wall! He's gonna get an RII. The body is falling off of that Lucas Oil Crusader Monster Jam truck. The body is gone now on Lucas Oil Crusader. He sends it. He's lining up for the mini flip. Going for the mini flip. Saves it. What is he gonna do after the backflip? He's gonna send it. Gonna send it! Oh my! Oh, and I accidentally just reset the truck. Up next is Nick Pagliaro and the Kraken. I'm gonna start trying to post a lot. By the way, this is actually sponsored by Streamlabs OBS. They're the platinum I'm using for this. They're the company that I'm using for my recording as I broke a tire. I'm just kidding. That's a reset. How do you break a tire like that? That's like, bruh. Sends it! Oh my god! He just sent it! How is he still going? He broke like almost the whole front end! As he saves it! Oh my god, is he gonna try to attempt the backflip? Oh my god! He's gonna send it! 4 seconds left on the clock. What is he gonna do? He sends it. The time is up, but that won't stop him. He's gonna hit the backflip one more time. Woo! The fans are going crazy for Nick Pagliaro and the Kraken Monster Jam truck broke the tire, but then he saved it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 Monster Jam trucks left after this one, but Mikey Vaughters is second. And Overkill Evolution is here it's here to beat them. I'm sorry. Can he save it? Get it back to you. Lining up for the Monster Energy backflip. He broke a tire off. Set it. He saves it, but that broken tire is gonna shut him off. He's gonna keep going. Yeah, I think he's gonna park it. I think he's just gonna park it.
No, they didn't let me know.
Yeah, that's gonna be the end of his run, and he's gonna go park it. And then we got. And up next is gonna be Furious Puppy. He has a new theme this year in 2020. I grabbed the wrong one. That's Jason. I'm actually driving this one. We're just gonna say, not Mac, because he was in this event. I don't know who we should use. Todd the Duke is subbing in. Cody, I'm just kidding. Todd the Duke is subbing in. I'm just kidding, I'm driving this. I have no driver to think of, so I'm gonna pretend I'm driving it. Oh no! Broke the tire. But that's a reset, because how do you break a tire like that? Broke the tire off. Now that's a reason to break the tire off. have zoomies on this one. So, ear warning. Changing it to the MagnaFlow. Because why not? I'm that nice guy. Boom. Boom. To the bed. Reset. Broken tire for no reason. This is the Adam Anderson hitting the Monster Energy backflip. Oh! Adam Anderson ran that truck into the ground. The track is shut off. Oh! Wait! He might have a chance. Here. Yeah, that's gonna be an epic reset. Oh no! Hits the backflip again. Fails the backflip. Our last Monster Jam truck out here in Tampa, Florida. Monster Jam fans, give it up for Ryan Anderson and the son of a digger. Now to start his time. The bicycle will start Ryan's time. Sorry for the 30-minute video. I know it's a long video, but it's a 10 truck freestyle. So going up, nice. Sends it. Broke the tire off. Doesn't even have a backflip in his run. Goes for the backflip. What was that? Wombo combo. Oh, oh, oh my God. Broken front tires. Both front tires are broken. Alright, so I don't get killed on YouTube for having copyright. The sponsor for this video is gonna be Coke. Because I love Coke and I drink it every day. They have the best soda ever. No gosh darn joke. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.